Hi, so here's 5 ways that I make money. I edit videos for others. I do consulting in the video production and YouTube space. I tutor. I also do writing for others, articles, blogs, proposals, and I'm also an actress. There are certain acting gigs that I get paid for. And a 6th way that I'm making money that is getting ready to be taken away from me is YouTube ad revenue. If you are a YouTuber as well and you do not meet the new requirements to be a part of the YouTube partner program, you probably received an email just like I did on January 16th. I received an email in regards to my other channel because it's the other channel that I've been making money off of, not this particular channel, but it's saying that my other channel is no longer eligible for monetization because it does not meet the new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Now that other channel does have over 1,500 subscribers, but it does not have 4,000 hours of watch time. I was confused by that because when I checked my analytics, I saw like over 100,000 watch time minutes. But again, that's watch time minutes and not hours. So when I calculated all those minutes into hours, they were accurate in saying that I didn't have 4,000 watch time hours within the past 12 months. So that was a 6th way I was making money, but it is being taken away from me within the next 30 days. And hopefully I will change that around and it will be a 6th way again. So besides that, just know that all the ways that I make money, what I just mentioned, I can do those jobs anywhere. The only job that I can't do anywhere are the acting gigs. But I am going to discuss some other drawbacks and benefits of those things that I do. I will say in regards to drawbacks, in the beginning it was very hard. It wasn't that easy to get started, like working on my own and pretty much as being a little entrepreneur. It was not that easy in the beginning. Another drawback that I'm still facing right now is that income fluctuates. It would be nice if I can get it steady and consistent, but that is something that I'm working on and I think I'm getting there. Lastly, it's easy for me to get overwhelmed. You're pretty much in charge of your own schedule. Sometimes I take on too much and I don't really know when enough is enough. So time management is a really big thing and it's very easy to get overwhelmed. At least for me anyway. Some of the biggest benefits that I have is that I get to set my own hours. I get to choose who I work with, which is really, really great. I get to work with a lot of people that I get along with and, you know, we share some similar values. I also can work anywhere. As I mentioned before, that is a great benefit and I'm my own boss. Because I've hung in there so long, again, I really hope so, but I think I'm at a point where I can get the income to be consistent. So that's an amazing feeling. I'm just praying that all works out, so wish me luck on that. Now if you guys are doing some of these things as well, I'd love to hear how this is going for you. If you have other ways that you're making money, I'd love for you to leave it in the comment section so I can see what's going on in your lives. Now if you would like to know more about how I got started and websites that I use, let me know and I'm going to create a separate video because I'd like to go more into detail about those websites and how I got started. So yeah, just let me know, and if you are not a part of the Estrella family, go ahead and click subscribe and turn on notifications. Now I'd love for you to hang out with me some more. There's some other videos that should have popped up. Go ahead and click on one of them. I'd love for you to hang out with me some more.